The title of this book is What's That Noise? The little boy named Hector is in his bed in the bedroom. Dad, who is sitting on the bed, says, "Are you ready to sleep now?" "Yow, yow!" Hector says. "What's that noise?" Dad says, "Oh, that's a police car out on the highway." Hector hears, "Broom, broom." "What's that noise?" asked Hector. "That's a car down the street," said Dad. "Broom, broom, it's the engine." Hector hears, "Woof, woof." "What's that noise?" asked Hector. "That's the dog out in the yard, barking," said Dad. Hector hears, "Meow, meow." "What's that noise?" asked Hector. "That's a cat up a tree," said Dad. Hector hears, "Wah, wah." "What's that noise?" asked Hector. "That's the baby waking up and crying," said Dad. Hector hears, "Click, click." "What's that noise?" asked Hector. "That's just me turning off the light," said Dad. Mom, who is sitting in the living room, hears, "Snore, snore." "What's that noise?" asked Mom. Dad said, "Oh, that's Hector sleeping and snoring." Hector, who was snuggled into his bed, gave a wink as he listened to Mom and Dad.